Hey everybody. My wife and I spent a few days exploring the Oregon coast recently, and we decided to make our home base the Chinook Winds Casino Resort. We stayed at the hotel, and the building we were in was this one right here in the Wecoma Beach area of Lincoln City. This whole grounds is their resort area. We didn't actually go in the casino, but there are a lot of hotel rooms here. This building's nice because it has balconies that overlook the beach. And man, are we glad that we chose this place to be our home base. We hope you enjoy this little tour.
All right, we are at Chinook Winds in Lincoln City, Oregon, and we got a King Junior Suite with ocean view, so we thought we'd give you a look around the room. It is about 6 in the evening. Sunset's supposed to be around 8. Wow, Lee, look at this. Wow. Wow. Take a look at the bathroom. Not too shabby. All right. Let's see what this is all about. I gotta say, that's pretty nice. Really nice.